Hello everyone, each of the solutions I'm going to explain in this video comes from advice given by expert mechanics here at the workshop where I'm at. First of all, the most common issue is low brake fluid. Yep, a lot of times people panic and it turns out they just needed a little bit of fluid. But heads up, if the level keeps dropping, that's a clue. Either your brake pads are worn or there's a small leak somewhere. Speaking of brake pads, these are the real heroes or villains of this drama. If they're really worn, the fluid drops and the sensor goes crazy. Mechanics always say, when the pads are super thin, the system thinks you're braking with tortillas. The fix: replace the pads, and most of the time the warning light goes off by itself afterward. But if you've checked the pads and the fluid and the light is still on, it could be the reservoir sensor or cap acting up. Yep, sometimes the problem isn't the brakes themselves, but the nosy sensor that got stuck. The solution is simple: clean the sensor or replace the cap. Problem solved? Light off. Now, a classic that many people forget: the parking brake. If it's not fully released or the switch that detects it is damaged, the light won't turn off. Make sure it's fully down, and if needed, adjust or replace the switch. Sometimes the solution is right in front of your eyes. If your light is flashing, things get a bit more serious. This could indicate an issue with the ABS module or the brake hydraulic unit. Another common reason, especially if someone recently worked on the brakes, is air in the lines. This makes the pedal feel spongy and turns the light on. The fix: properly bleed the system with fresh brake fluid. Easy, but you have to be careful. But wait, don't go yet. Let's talk about how to reset the light. If you've already fixed what was wrong, most of the time the light turns off on its own. If not, try this. Turn the key to on, pump the brake pedal 5 to 7 times, start the engine, and drive a little. If it's still on, then the problem really isn't solved yet. So there you have it. The brake warning light isn't just a random quirk. It's your car telling you something needs attention. Check the fluid, pads, sensors, parking brake, and ABS if needed. And remember, better to fix it now than regret it later.